There's a viral parenting idea that says one Japanese word can stop a tantrum in 10 seconds. The word is matte, which basically means wait or hold on. So, does it really work? Honestly, no. No word in any language can guarantee a child will calm down in 10 seconds. But there is something useful inside the idea. It isn't the word, it's the pause. When a child is melting down, their brain is not ready for a lecture. Long explanations, bargaining, and repeating the limit over and over usually add more noise to a moment that's already too loud. What helps more is an adult who lowers their own intensity first. That pause is not passive. It is the moment where you stop yourself from adding fuel. You don't rush into explaining. You don't panic. You don't immediately give in just to make the crying stop. You take one breath, get close if it's safe, and use fewer words. Here's a simple way to try it. Step 1. Pause before enough time to notice the impulse to yell, explain, threaten, or negotiate. Step 2. Move closer, not louder. If it feels safe, lower your body a little or soften your posture. Your calm body speaks before your words do. Step 3. Use one short signal. Wait, I'm here. Or, I see you're upset. That's it. Not a speech, just a signal that you are present. Step 4. Hold the original limit in one sentence. The tablet is done. We're leaving the park. Cookies aren't for today. One sentence, normal tone. Step 5. Wait without filling the silence. This is the hard part. The urge to explain again can be very strong, but every extra sentence gives your child something new to fight with. Step 6. When the storm starts to come down, name the feeling and move to the next step. You really wanted more time. That's hard. Now we're going. Short, warm, and clear. And one exception, if there is real immediate danger, you don't pause and discuss. Let's make it real. Screen time is over. Your child screams and grabs the tablet. Instead of explaining for the third time, pause, move closer. Wait, I'm here. The tablet is done. Do you want to turn it off, or should I? If they don't choose, you turn it off. Calmly. The protest may continue, but the limit stays. At the store, your child wants a snack you already said no to. They start to escalate. Pause. Get low if you can. I know you wanted it. Cookies aren't for today. Then keep moving. You don't have to convince them to agree. At the park, it's time to leave. They drop to the ground. Pause. You wanted more time. It's hard to stop. We're going now. Then you walk toward the exit. If they need your hand, you help. You won't do this perfectly every time. Some days you will react too fast. Repair it later with one sentence. I got louder than I wanted to. The limit was... The magic was never the Japanese word. The change is the adult pause. Fewer words, lower intensity, and a limit that still holds. Try this next time. Pause first, move closer, say one sentence, and wait. That small space can change the whole scene. If this channel gives you tools you can actually use, subscribe for more practical parenting help every week.